Hello guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. In the last video we talked about if statements part 1. Today we're going to talk about if statement part 2, and today we're going to talk about the AND operator and the OR operators. We're just basically going to talk about the AND operator in this video. Why not subscribe and leave a like to the video so that you won't miss the AND operator. So basically I'm going to be defining the AND operator now. So the AND operator, or let's say the AND keyword, is a logical operator and is used to combine two conditional statements. Please, these definitions, make sure you always write them down and try and understand them. Don't just memorize them. Code is not memorize, you practice and practice. So the AND keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine two conditional statements. So if I have two, okay, let's jump into the code. So if I say A equals to 10, A equals to 10, like that. B equals to 20, 20, B is equals to 20. And then let's say C is equal to 30. So basically I'm going to say if B is greater than A and C is greater than B, C is greater than B, or let's say C is less than B, then we're going to, okay, our code is a bit itchy. The indentation is not expected, so let's just fix it now. There we go. So now we said if B is greater than A and C is greater than B, then we're going to print, let's print a statement, and the code works. So basically it's not, this code is not going to work because B, which is 20, is greater than 10, but C, which is 30, is not less than B. So if you run this code, you're going to see it's just going to be blank. So basically the AND statement checks two conditions, and only when those two conditions are met before it will print out your information, or before it will display your information, or before it will carry out the action. Like we said, if statements help carry out action. So we can see if this is greater than this and this is less than this, we're going to print, okay, let's say B is greater than A and C is less than B. Okay, add some strings, some quotes, and there we go. So we can also put an else statement and say else print. Okay, so what are we going to print here? We're going to print C is less, okay, no, you know what, let's just say the code 1 is, okay, let's just say one condition, I believe 1 does not meet, or let's say match the qualifications. Okay, I just put 1 does not, but you can say one condition does not match the qualification. You can see if we run this program, 1 does not match the qualification. That's to show you that there is something in your code. Maybe you said C is less than B, or B is greater than A. Maybe B is not greater than A, or C is not less than B. For us, it's C is not less than B. And if we just change C to 10, and let's see, our code will work. B is greater than A and C is less than B. So what if we have, let's say we have a variable called temperature. Temperature is equal to hot, and let's say if temperature, okay, we need two variables here. So let's say temperature inside, I believe. Will that work? Yeah, let's say temperature inside, Okay, yeah, then we can say temperature outside equals to cold. There we go, temperature outside. OUTSID, sorry, sometimes you might forget how to spell some things on coding. Then we go and say if temperature inside and temperature inside, and let's put our AND operator so it will match. It checks for the temperature inside and temperature outside equals to hot. So if both temperatures are hot, are reading hot, then we're gonna say turn on the AC, because I'm like outside is hot, inside is hot. If I want to go outside, I can't take fresh air. If I stay inside, I can't take fresh air. So the best thing to do is like to turn on the AC, and that's exactly what we're going to tell our code to do. Let's say print codes turn on the AC. Okay, there we go. Isn't that beautiful? And then if we print this thing, yeah, it's not going to run because the temperature inside is hot while the temperature outside is cold. And we want both temperatures to be hot before we turn on the AC. So we're gonna put an else statement and then print just, turn on the fans. And if we run the code, turn on the fan, inside is hot but outside is cold. So instead of freezing and turning on the AC, we can just turn on the fans. Okay, print turn on the fans. That's all from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like, subscribe,